In this video, I provide a basic overview of how I create media using Python. There's no discussion of code here, just the big picture. I created an app in Python which generates semi-random music files. Within controllable, specifiable parameters, you generate MIDI compositions that are musical, or, if you prefer, chaotic. The idea here is that you can pull the resulting file into your favorite digital audio workflow and make further modifications. I also made several, audio sample generators. These are for the semi-random creation of usually 1-second audio files, with very basic synthesis tricks applied during creation. Make as many as you wish. For example, you can use these clips in a sampler, which can turn your generated audio into a voice. I next made a Python-based app which allows you to merge an audio file, like a song you made with your sampler, and some cover art, any image, into an MP4 video designed to YouTube's stated recommendations. Next, I used Python to make a Mondrian-inspired cover art generator. Generate semi-random images with one click. In my case, I am using YouTube to promote the use of my custom audio voices in a music-making context. Here's a screenshot of the video, below, that I made with my custom workflow. In this instance, I am making digital products on a pay-what-you-want model. Here's a Mondrian-themed product below in my online shop, alongside other similar products. If you'd like to learn more, check out my GitHub page linked in the description of this video, and feel free to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.